If you are over the age of 60 and truly ready to reclaim your strength, I need you to do two things right now. First, please hit that like button below this video to help this vital message reach others who need to hear it. And second, be sure to subscribe to this channel because your journey to real, sustainable strength begins today. Now, let us discuss the fabrication you have been sold. You have been told a multi-million-dollar lie. The whey protein industry relentlessly tells you that you need their expensive processed powders in order to build muscle and to fight sarcopenia, the debilitating muscle loss that comes with age. But here is what they fail to tell you. For a vast number of seniors, these very supplements cause severe bloating, painful constipation, and a host of digestive issues. These problems are not just uncomfortable, they actively prevent you from getting stronger. They are hiding a simple, powerful truth. The real, lasting key to building muscle is not found inside a plastic tub. I am Dr. Katherine Rocke, a biomedical scientist specializing in the science of aging, and I am here to tell you the solution is not whey protein. And it is certainly not about forcing yourself to eat 10 eggs every single day and clogging your arteries with cholesterol. The secret, the true secret, is found in 3 powerful, natural, and affordable foods. And here is the kicker. When you combine these 3 foods correctly, they deliver more high-quality, muscle-building protein than eggs. And they do this safely, nourishing your body without the harmful side effects. As I promised, we are starting with the food I consider the second best source, precisely because it is the cheapest, the most versatile, and one of the most powerful foods you can find in your grocery store. Number 1 on our list is Greek yogurt. A single 1-cup serving of real Greek yogurt provides you with an absolutely incredible 20 to 23 grams of high-quality protein. To put that into perspective for you, that is nearly 4 times more protein than the regular sugary yogurt that typically lines the dairy aisle. But here is the best part. Here is the real secret that makes Greek yogurt so perfect for seniors. The protein in Greek yogurt is primarily a type called casein. Casein is a slow-digesting protein. This means that it works slowly and steadily inside your body, feeding your muscles a reliable stream of amino acids for up to 7 hours at a time. This unique property makes it the absolute perfect food to help you build and, crucially, to preserve your precious muscle mass, especially while you are asleep. But there is more. Here is what most people, and even many nutritionists, do not know. Greek yogurt also contains approximately 200 milligrams of calcium in every single serving. This calcium does so much more than just help your bones stay strong. It is absolutely critical for your muscles. It is what helps your muscles to relax and, most importantly, to contract properly and powerfully when you are doing everyday things, like walking up a flight of stairs or carrying your grocery bags from the car. In a recent research study, scientists observed a group of 180 older adults over a period of 12 weeks. The people in the group who ate Greek yogurt at least once a day got, on average, 40% stronger from their workouts when they were compared to the people who did not eat it. 40%. That is a truly massive, life-changing difference. I must be very clear. Greek yogurt, while incredibly powerful, will not help you build muscle effectively on its own. If you are only eating Greek yogurt, I am truly sorry to break it to you, but it is not enough. You must eat Greek yogurt in combination with lentils. Lentils are the next food I want to talk about, and when you put them together with Greek yogurt in your diet, they produce the best possible muscle-building results. This brings us to food number 2, lentils. Lentils are a true hidden gem of the nutrition world. They are an absolute powerhouse. A single cooked cup of lentils delivers an impressive 18 grams of high-quality protein. That is actually more protein, ounce for ounce, than you would find in most cuts of beef. But here is what makes lentils truly special and uniquely powerful for seniors. When you eat them in a diet that also includes a dairy source, like the Greek yogurt we just discussed, they create what nutrition scientists call a complete protein profile. This specific combination of foods builds muscle just as effectively as an expensive steak, but it costs you less than $1 per serving. But there is a hidden treasure here that most seniors do not know about. Lentils are absolutely packed with iron. Every single cup contains 37% of your entire daily iron needs. This iron is essential because it is the vehicle that carries fresh oxygen directly to your muscle cells. This helps them to work strongly and to recover much faster after any kind of activity. At the same time, lentils also contain 16 grams of fiber in every cup. This fiber is crucial because it keeps your energy levels steady for hours and hours without any of the dangerous blood sugar spikes that can lead to fat storage. The folate that is found in lentils also helps your body to make new red blood cells. This means you get even better oxygen delivery to every single muscle in your body, from your heart to your legs. A recent study followed a group of 240 seniors over a period of 8 months. The participants who ate lentils just 3 times a week were able to maintain 85% more of their muscle mass when they were compared to the group who avoided legumes entirely. 85%. The difference is truly astounding. But even with the powerful duo of Greek yogurt and lentils working together, you will still struggle to maintain your muscle if you are missing this next critical nutrient. It is a nutrient that a staggering 80% of seniors do not get enough of. And this nutrient is found in absolute abundance in peanuts. Yes, that's right. Without healthy fats, your nutrition profile will not be complete. You can eat all the protein you want, you can do all the resistance training you like, but nothing will change. Your muscles will continue to wither away if you do not prioritize the intake of healthy fats, which is precisely why the third, and what I consider to be the absolute best food I want to reveal to you today, is peanut butter. This brings us to number 3, peanut butter. Now, peanut butter delivers about 8 grams of protein in a 2 tablespoon serving. But here is what makes it so incredibly special for seniors. It is absolutely packed with healthy monounsaturated fats. These are the fats that give you a steady, reliable stream of energy for 4 to 5 hours straight. Unlike the fats that are found in eggs, which come loaded with dietary cholesterol, the fats in peanut butter are heart-friendly. They keep your muscles fueled for hours without clogging your arteries. But here is the secret weapon that most people completely overlook when it comes to peanut butter. Peanut butter is loaded with a B vitamin called niacin. Niacin has a remarkable effect on your body. It helps to open up your blood vessels, almost like turning a one-lane road into a multi-lane highway. This means that more oxygen and more vital nutrients can flow directly to your muscles. This helps them to stay strong and to recover much faster after any kind of activity. The healthy fats in peanut butter also play another crucial role. They help your body to absorb all the important fat-soluble vitamins, like vitamins A, D, E, and K. These are vitamins that your muscles absolutely need to repair themselves and to stay flexible as you age. A study followed a group of 340 seniors for a period of 2 years. The participants who ate just 2 tablespoons of peanut butter 5 times a week had, on average, 25% better muscle function. And they were able to walk 30% faster than the group who avoided nuts completely. The researchers discovered that the healthy fats were literally helping to keep the muscle cells younger and more efficient. However, it would be absolutely useless to your muscles to eat these wonderful, natural, and healthy rich foods if you happen to pair them with the next 3 foods that I want to talk about. The last one on this list is incredibly common. I am so sure that it is sitting in your fridge right now. As a matter of fact, when you combine these foods, they could actually form toxins in your blood, and they will do you much more harm than good. You see, while peanut butter, Greek yogurt, and lentils are incredibly powerful for building muscle when you use them correctly, there are certain foods that can completely neutralize all of their benefits. Or worse, they can create toxic compounds that can actually damage your muscles and your joints. Most seniors have absolutely no idea that they are sabotaging their own muscle building efforts by eating these common foods alongside their protein-rich foods. After reviewing dozens upon dozens of nutritional studies, and after treating thousands of patients who suffer from muscle loss and consulting with the leading researchers in muscle preservation, I have identified the 3 most dangerous food combinations that seniors must avoid at all costs. The number 1 food that you should never ever pair with any of the foods I have just talked about is seed oils. I am talking about oils like canola oil, soybean oil, and yes, even peanut oil. Peanut oil is one of the most common cooking oils that seniors use for their healthy meals. But this seemingly harmless oil is secretly destroying your muscle-building efforts from the inside out. Peanut oil and these other seed oils create a state of chronic inflammation throughout your entire body. This is an inflammation that is so severe, it completely cancels out all of the wonderful anti-inflammatory benefits of the Greek yogurt, the lentils, and the peanut butter that we just discussed. A 2020 study that was published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition tracked 180 seniors for a period of 12 weeks. The participants who cooked with seed oils like soybean and canola oil showed 50% slower muscle recovery after their exercise sessions when they were compared to the group who used olive oil or coconut oil. The researchers discovered that the seed oils were literally poisoning the muscle repair process. When you heat an oil like canola or peanut oil above 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which happens every single time you fry or saute with it, the oil begins to break down into toxic compounds that are called oxidized fats. These poison molecules then flow straight from your digestive system into your muscle tissues. They make your muscles stiff and weak, all while they are damaging the delicate arteries that are supposed to be feeding them with oxygen. And even worse, seed oils have been shown to trigger a state of insulin resistance directly in your muscles. This means that even when you are eating the perfect protein from your eggs, your lentils, or your Greek yogurt, your muscles are literally unable to absorb the amino acids that they need to grow stronger. You are essentially locking the door to muscle growth, and you are throwing away the key. I will never forget treating a man named Robert. He was an 82-year-old former athlete who came to me just completely confused after eating high-protein meals for 8 solid months with absolutely zero muscle gain. He told me that he was cooking everything in what he thought was heart-healthy canola oil, thinking he was being smart. Within just 4 weeks of switching to olive oil and completely eliminating all of the seed oils from his diet, he had gained 3.4 pounds of lean muscle mass. And he told me that his chronic joint pain had disappeared completely. So if you are serious about building muscle, you must never cook with peanut oil, canola oil, soybean oil, or any of these other industrial seed oils. Instead, you can easily swap these muscle-destroying oils for much healthier options. Extra virgin olive oil is a fantastic choice, as it actually reduces inflammation and it helps your muscles to absorb protein better. Coconut oil is another powerhouse choice. It remains very stable at high heat, and it contains special fats called medium-chain fats that your muscles can use for immediate energy. For very high-temperature cooking, you can try avocado oil, which can handle heat up to 520 degrees Fahrenheit without breaking down into those toxic compounds. And even better, you can cook with traditional fats like grass-fed butter or even beef tallow. These traditional fats contain the vitamins A, D, E, and K too, which actually help your muscles to use the protein from your meals much more effectively. The second food that you should not pair with these healthy foods is coffee. Yes, coffee. Coffee is one of the most beloved morning rituals for seniors all across the world. But this innocent-seeming daily habit is secretly killing your muscles. Coffee contains powerful compounds that are called polyphenols and tannins. These compounds act like tiny blockers or sponges in your digestive system. They prevent your body from properly absorbing iron, calcium, and zinc. These are 3 of the most critical minerals that your muscles and your bones need to stay strong as you age. A 2021 study that was published in the Journal of Nutrition and Aging followed 220 coffee-drinking seniors for 10 weeks. The participants who consumed 2 or more cups of coffee daily absorbed 60% less iron from their meals when they were compared to the non-coffee drinkers. The researchers found that these participants were essentially starving their muscles of the minerals that they needed for strength, even when they were eating iron-rich foods like lentils and spinach. Every single cup of coffee that you drink floods your system with caffeine. And this caffeine triggers a massive spike in a hormone called cortisol. Cortisol is your body's primary stress hormone, and it is highly catabolic, meaning it breaks down muscle tissue. For seniors over the age of 60, who already lose muscle at about twice the normal rate, This effect is absolutely devastating. And even worse, coffee acts as a diuretic. This forces your kidneys to flush out water and all the precious electrolytes that your muscles desperately need to function properly. Even a mild state of dehydration can reduce your muscle strength by up to 15%, and it dramatically increases your risk of having a dangerous fall. And of course, it also destroys your sleep. Your body absolutely needs deep, restorative sleep to release its growth hormone and to repair your muscle tissue overnight. I will never forget treating a patient named Barbara. She was a 68-year-old grandmother who came to me just completely exhausted after drinking 4 cups of coffee every single day for decades. She couldn't understand why her strength was fading away, despite the fact that she was eating well. Within just 3 weeks of switching to a simple cinnamon tea in the morning and a ginger tea in the afternoon, she reported that she was sleeping deeper than she had in years. She felt stronger, and her painful muscle cramps had completely disappeared. So, if you are serious about preserving your strength, you must swap your coffee for some muscle-friendly alternatives. You can try warm lemon water first thing in the morning to hydrate and to energize your body naturally. You can try cinnamon tea, which actually helps your muscles to use the protein that you eat much better. Or, you can try an anti-inflammatory turmeric tea, which helps to reduce muscle soreness and to support your recovery. And now for the last food, which may come as a shock. Number 3 is white bread. White bread is the go-to comfort food for millions and millions of seniors for breakfast all across America. But this simple food is secretly destroying your muscle-building efforts. White bread is made from a refined flour that has had all of its fiber and all of its nutrients stripped away. It hits your bloodstream like a sugar bomb. It has a glycemic index of 75, which is actually higher than a candy bar. A 2022 study that was published in the Clinical Journal of Sports Medicine tracked 190 seniors for 16 weeks. The participants who ate white bread on a daily basis showed 45% less muscle protein synthesis when they were compared to the group who avoided refined grains entirely. The researchers discovered that the massive blood sugar spikes that were caused by the white bread were literally hijacking the body's muscle-building machinery, and they were redirecting it towards storing fat instead. But here is the shocking part that most doctors will not tell you. Every single slice of white bread that you eat triggers a massive flood of a hormone called insulin. And this insulin literally blocks your muscles from being able to absorb the precious amino acids from your high-protein foods, like your Greek yogurt, your lentils, and your peanut butter. You could be eating the perfect muscle-building meals, but if you have a slice of white bread with it, you are completely stopping your muscle repair and your muscle growth in its tracks. And even worse, these repeated blood sugar roller coasters create a state of chronic inflammation throughout your entire body. This causes your muscles to break down faster, while at the same time recovering much slower from any physical activity. For seniors who already lose muscle at an accelerated rate, white bread becomes a devastating double-edged sword that steals your strength with every single meal. I will never forget treating a gentleman named George. He was an 81-year-old veteran who came to me just completely frustrated after eating protein-rich meals for 6 months with absolutely zero muscle gain. And it turned out he was having 2 slices of white bread with every single meal. Within just 5 weeks of switching to a sprouted grain bread and eliminating all the white flour from his diet, he had gained 2.8 pounds of lean muscle, and his energy levels had soared. So if you are serious about building and maintaining your muscle, you must swap your white bread for some muscle-friendly alternatives. You can try a sprouted grain bread, which actually feeds your muscles with fiber and with B vitamins. Or even better, you can use large lettuce wraps, or even portobello mushroom caps to hold your sandwiches. These alternatives add nutrients without all the blood sugar chaos,